In the quiet, gated community of Villa Rosa, where the streets are lined with homes that blend into one another, a new house has taken root. This development, aimed at the middle class, has been growing rapidly due to the affordability of the lots in comparison to the soaring real estate prices in the more urbanized districts. The houses here are a patchwork of similar designs, each adhering to a certain standard that reflects the uniformity of the enclave. In this context, the new construction is another piece in the mosaic, a house that doesn't strive to stand out but rather to blend in. It adheres to traditional construction methods, embracing a conventional image that makes it just another residence in this expanding community. The lot on which the house stands is modest in size, with sun exposure from front to back, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout the day. The design is compact, with the structure positioned to one side of the land, leaving room for a semi-covered entrance that connects the side yard with the street. This entrance is more than just a doorway, it regulates the relationship between the inside and the outside, providing a seamless transition from the public world to the private sanctuary within. Inside, the entrance hall offers the flexibility to incorporate a consulting room or a guest bedroom, set apart from the daily rhythms of the household, allowing for a separation between work or guest space and the family's living areas. The ground floor is the heart of the home, dominated by a spacious living dining room that flows directly into the park-like backyard through 4 expansive windows. These windows, stretching 9 meters in length and 7 meters in width, blur the lines between the indoors and the outdoors, creating a sense of continuity that enhances the home's connection with nature. A large gallery extends from the living area, incorporating an outdoor dining space near the pool, perfect for family gatherings or quiet evenings under the stars. The first floor is designed with a clear division between the parents' area and the children's bedrooms, connected by an intimate living room at the top of the staircase. This space serves as a common area where the family can come together to relax, learn, and spend quality time together. The construction of the house is straightforward, using materials that are readily available and techniques that are tried and true. Metal pillars on the ground floor give a sense of lightness to the structure, supporting the independent framework associated with the aluminum window frames. The house is designed to open towards the best orientations, with large windows strategically placed to maximize natural light and ventilation. The choice of hollow brick masonry provides thermal comfort suited to the suburban environment, while the white cement finish on the exterior and plastering on the interior create a clean, cohesive look. Every decision in the building process was made with the budget in mind, balancing cost with quality to create a home that is both affordable and comfortable, a place that fits perfectly within the fabric of Villa Rosa.